In this video, we're going to install Node.js. Go to nodejs.org. Next, click the most recent LTS version of Node.js to download the file. The video was made when 12.18.4 was the most recent version. That's updated fairly regularly, so there's a good chance that the version you'll see will be different from this. Once the file has finished downloading, click on it to install. Click Next. Check the License Agreement Terms checkbox and click Next. We're going to install in the default location, nothing to change here. We're going to use the default setup, so nothing to change here. Click Next. We're not going to install the tools for native modules. Click Next and click Install. Once the install has finished, click Finish. Now let's confirm that everything installed correctly. Click the Start button and you should see Node.js and Node.js command prompt. Let's open the Node.js command prompt and type node space -v for version. And it tells us we've installed version 12.18.4. Let's also check npm or Node Package Manager and see which version of that was installed. For that, we'll do a npm -v for version command. And it tells us that version 6.14.6 was installed. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Node.js.